Alright, what's going on, guys? My lunch for today, we're gonna be making LARB Jello crappies. I got like 6 slab. I already got the meat out. These gonna be for the soup, lemongrass, green tomatoes, and this is, I don't know what they call it in English, it's pak itu or nang tu. Got this boiling. That's for the soup. When you're making the soup, you always gotta have this tamarind powder, MSG, chicken bouillon, and a little bit of salt. Everything is eyeball. And squeezed fish sauce. I got the tomato sliced up. Alright, the lemongrass goes in. Let that boil up. You also gotta boil these right here. This is just with the badak and some lemongrass, a little bit of MSG, chicken bouillon. It's gonna go with that LARB Jello. So gotta be sure it's 100% cold, because you're cooking this raw. Cannot be warm, hot, because you don't want to cook the fish. Right, in the meantime, while the soup is boiling, I'm gonna take the skin off the fish and start chopping it up. All right, I got the skin out. That is a lot. I probably have to make 2 batches. You don't want to overcook this. All right, fish is in. Just let it simmer a little bit. The veggie goes in. It's looking good already. This is the secret ingredients with the fish. You will not taste any of the fish. That covers the smell. Want to have a little bit of steam coming up, starting to boil. Once it's boiled up, you don't want to have it boil too long. Turn off the heat. Done. Alright, we're gonna chop this up before I put it in the blender. It's coming along. We're gonna chop it up into small little pieces, almost like a patty, before you throw in the blender. Alright, I got this chopped up. I'm gonna put it to the side. You know, it's chopped up.
Look, I got onions right here. I chopped it all for you.
Oh, put it all in there.
Oh.
Yeah, I didn't see that one.
I put all the ingredients in.
Damn, it's gonna be good. We got some kalanka, we got ginger.
And let me chop the neck for you. Oh, he's hot and he's fine out.
Oh, look at this. It's coming along. See, we gotta make sure let it be just slightly dry, and then it should be ready to blend. Let it cool down, and then blend them up.
Brand new one, $100.
So you got 2 of them? Huh? Why would you need one? How do you know the other one is bad?
Huh?
How do you know the other one might be bad? You only got one? You're supposed to get a pair.
How do I know the other one bad?
What?
Nó cua vô here.
Mình khua vô rồi. I guess.
I know you're supposed to get a big.
Alright, I just put this in, I'm gonna blend it up. Now we're gonna put the raw fish in there. This right here would be less than an hour. Wifey wants me to add the snail. That's what they call it. Yep, snail. Snail. We got some snail here. Whole bunch of veggies. Cilantro, mint. Oh my God. I think I need to turn off the fan. It's blown out. When is he coming with that jong? Man. Alright, I'm gonna use a small spoon for now. Keep adding the juice. Go ahead and pour it in there. That's good for now. Add more juice. Check on that. All right, we need to add more juice. Thick. Trying to make it thick. You don't want to add too much. It's gonna run. Because when you use the sticky rice to dip it, you don't want to fall off from the sticky rice. It wasn't even 6 crappies. It's probably 4, because I saved the other in the freezer. A little bit of fish sauce.
You done with this?
Yeah, I'm done with all of that. Some MSG. Look at all this veggie. It don't even fit in the blender, man. Yeah. I gotta mix it in the tray. Not that spicy.
You say it's spicy.